Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video tutorial we will see about how we can make our own website in your own smartphone. So in order to make your own website or your first website, you need to have an HTML editor. I have unwriter free HTML editor. Before we get started, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so don't miss anything. This video editors, there are many HTML editors, and I will put the link in the description below for you. So let's get started. So you need to HTML editor. There are three basic languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The first one, HTML editor, or HTML language, means hypertext markup language. It is the main structure of the website, or it is an skeletal structure of the website that everything is stick on it. The other CSS, it is called cascading style sheet. It's used to add a style to the website, the style of the website, color, the background, the font, everything related to beauty or everything related to style is done with the CSS, cascading style sheet language, markup language. The other is JavaScript. JavaScript is used to add a behavior into website. So when we go to the website, we will get an alert or something, or when we pressed a button in the website, it's pop up and something like that. That related stuff are done with the JavaScript. Every behavior in the website in JavaScript and in JavaScript frameworks or libraries. So the behavior is done with this JavaScript. So we will see some examples how we can make our own website. So create new file, and in that file we type in for unwriter free complete or have an autocomplete. So we just write like this HTML, and the current version of HTML is HTML5, so give up that like this. And so the first doc type, which means which identifies to the browser, its type of file is an HTML file, and it may have different web development language in it, so execute it like to the browser. The other thing is it has every tags. These are tags: the heading, body, or paragraph, and HTML. Those are tags, so the tags must be closed. And in the heading part, there is many tags like meta tags, links, and other tags. We will see every of them in the future videos. The other tag in the main thing, the main content of the website is put inside the body tag. Okay. The other things are like cascading style sheet added to the heading part, body strap at heading part, and jQuery also in the heading part. But JavaScript is in the bottom of the website in order to load fastly or quickly the website. So let's see some examples. This is input. We can make input wise look like this tag. There is many tags: heading, this audio, video, bid, canv, h1, hits that are headings, paragraphs, divisions. There are many hyperlinks. There are many tags. So, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next video, bye.